Download the ISO file and check that it is intact with the MD5 checksum file. Create a bootable USB key and from the computer BIOS choose the USB key as the first boot. Launch the application launcher by pressing Ctrl plus spacebar. Select your language. Set local time. Set the keyboard layout. Partition the disk and choose where and how to install the system. Enter your user details and password. The installation time depends on the power of your hardware. The important thing is how long the operating system will last before crashing forever, and not how long it takes to install it. Unless you like reinstalling every day. Everything is ready. Restart the system and remove the installation USB key. Enter your password. If you want to change the installation language, use the language tool and follow the steps you will see in the video. Naturally, instead of the Italian language you will choose your own. Reboot the system immediately before using it. Otherwise, if you do not complete this step, it will very likely that the system will make confusion and not translate everything completely. Confirm the changes immediately before proceeding to use the system.